What's good, guys? Keaton here. So in front of me I have two phones, a Galaxy S9 Plus and then an iPhone 10. Quickly vote up in the iCard which you think is real and which you think is fake. Gotcha! The S9 is actually fake and the iPhone 10 is too. These are just both fake boxes with fake phones inside. So basically the Galaxy S9 is officially set to drop February 25th in Barcelona, Spain at Mobile World Congress. I myself might actually be there, so make sure you guys keep it locked to the Insta story. So this is Clone Wars, where I'm going to take the fake iPhone 10 and pit it up against the fake Galaxy S9 Plus to see what's really good. So you might be saying to yourself, Keaton, dude, like, how did you get a fake Galaxy S9? The real one's not even out yet. Like, dude, did you steal it? Like, what kind of magic's going on? And actually, my boy Aaron, Mr. Who's the Boss, hooked me up early. So I'll leave a link to his video in the description below. Again, we got two fakes in front of us, the Galaxy S9, the new one that you probably haven't seen, and then the fake iPhone 10. I actually did a video on this where I checked it out. It's 125 bucks. I'll leave links down below to both of these fakes if you're interested. There you go. If your phone screen is powering on white, you're getting a white screen here at startup, you know it's fake. You guys crushed it. We basically determined how bad was it, and it's not that bad. So let's just jump into the fake iPhone 10 box. You guys have seen this. We're just gonna do this real quick. So box looks not too bad. I just got it flipped upside down. I have to take a quick peek at that, man. Does that look legit? They don't make a gold iPhone 10. So that's how you know it's not legit. And the reason I make these videos is so if you're going on Craigslist, you're not getting scammed. It's happened to me, it's happened to all of us. But here we go. Here is the iPhone 10 clone. All right, we're gonna go ahead and power that on. Oh, of course it's already powered on. And I have a QR code sticker on the back. This is actually the video where I sold an iPhone 10 to Walmart. If you guys missed that, I'll leave a link right up there in the iCard. Cool, what other accessories do we get? Get our charging cube, some ear pods, and then just a basic lightning cable. What's interesting is no lightning adapter. That's a catch. So some of the dead giveaways on this iPhone 10, and remember, fakes are always getting better and better. This might already be outdated, but this cost me 125 bucks. So you guys know with the real iPhone 10, there actually is a notch in place of the screen. So this is my real one. Oh, hey, there's the Insta. Maybe throw a follow down. And then this is the fake one. You can see they just basically put a fake notch on the screen to make it look like an iPhone 10. Also, when you pull down, try to get in control center. Well, sometimes it works. Come on, do it for the video. All right, well, that's also a dead giveaway. So with the fake iPhone 10s, you can actually enable a battery percentage. So just go into settings real quick, battery, then battery percentage. Whereas on the real one, you can't. The only way to check the battery percentage is when you unlock it, cool, and then you pull down. So this one's not even pulling down. Another complete giveaway is the installed apps. So when you swipe over, you should see some bloatware. I know Samsung has a bunch of it. It's not too bad though. On the fake iPhone 10, when you go into extras, you see this random downloads tab and then FM radio. And when you go to delete them, the phone crashes, like actually. You can't actually delete them. I'm not saying another fail, but yeah, that's another fail. Now let's check out the fake Galaxy S9. I can't believe this phone isn't even out yet. Drop a like in this video if you guys are Team Galaxy or Team iPhone. I love all of you. I'm actually using the S8 Plus a lot more just because the S9 is about to drop. The packaging is crazy good. 6.2-inch screen, rounded on the corners, 12 megapixel camera on the back, 8 on the front. That's gonna look good. Okay, a lot of the same stuff as the Galaxy S8. Let's open this up. Wow, I guarantee you this is gonna be the same box. I have a feeling. Wow. Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, so here's the phone, the travel adapter, some headphones, and then just the charging cable. This is USB-C, like the S8 Plus. I would die if like, oh, you guys had the real phone all along. Like, okay, whoops, didn't know. Take off the sticker. Wow, that display looks real good. On the back, this is actually gonna be made out of glass. It's just like a plastic for now. Can't get everything right. It's plastic on the back, you know it's fake. Oh. Maybe, yeah, no, you definitely know it's fake. Wow, we're in. S9, dude, before it's even been released. Wow, the S9 just right off the bat feels way better. Can I do it? Maybe? The iPhone's hacking it. It doesn't want me to say it. I was gonna say the S9 feels a little bit better than the iPhone 10. It feels less laggy. Feels like a proper phone. How are the buttons? Volume buttons are solid. This is the Bixby button. I'd love it if they'd let us change that. It'd be great, Samsung. Power button, the top SIM card, USB at the bottom, and then a headphone jack. Kind of nice. Whereas with the iPhone, the buttons are kind of cheap feeling. Kind of feel like plastic a little bit. That mute switch is just nasty. That I don't even want to know where that's been. and power button on the side. It's not too bad. The Galaxy S9 definitely takes the cake here. And the S9 honestly feels heavier than the iPhone. I know 6-inch screen versus what wanted to be a 5.8-inch screen. I don't even know. So one of the new features on the iPhone 10 is Face ID, where it basically will unlock the phone with your face. Now on the S9, it looks like iris scanning is still there, but a new addition is the fingerprint reader. It's actually below the cameras versus to the side. I kind of like this. Let's see if this actually works. Jump into set. I don't want my location on. Gotta love these clones, right? And honestly, for 112 bucks, the S9 clone is doing pretty well. So we're gonna go into security, screen lock, fingerprint, draw and unlock pattern, super safe. All right, now time to do the fingerprint. So I'm gonna place my finger on the back. Pretty sweet. All right, is it just that simple? When I lock it? No way, it's that fast. I'm not even trying to touch it and it's unlocking. Ready? That is fast. That is the fastest fake I have ever seen. All right, let's try on the iPhone 10. So there's no fingerprint reader. I wish they put it on the power button. That was my idea originally. Apple watches my videos, as you guys could probably tell. So do the passcode, reset Face ID. You can see it's kind of like a Face ID. I'm moving my face. So it says registered successfully. It's gonna turn all these on, see if it shows up. Sometimes it shows up, other times it doesn't. Well, like you just saw there, it's not choosing to show up. So wow, fingerprint reader, lightning fast. Wow, dude, setting up iris was that fast. All right, let's see if it unlocks it with my eyes.
Wait, Samsung said a thing called iris?
Yeah, it's called iris.
Is it Siri backwards, like on purpose?
Oh, Kyle, you cracked the code. Iris is Siri backwards. You cracked the code. It makes sense all along. I was just gonna give the Nicolas Cage reference.
What's in the bag? A shark or something?
Next up, something I always love to test is the cameras. Sometimes the fakes have good cameras, other times they don't. Let's start with the iPhone 10. Not a bad photo. Doesn't look too bad. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel. Wow, that looks like the worst photo I've ever seen. Now on the fake S9, it looks dramatically better. Maybe not. I don't know. I feel like the iPhone 10 is a little bit more color and saturation. This just looks like a sad, pale kid. iPhone wins here. Also, I don't know. I'm just looking at the screen now. The screen on the S9 looks way better than the fake iPhone 10. But these bezels though, I don't think this is gonna be real. I think it might just be the fake one. Look how thick these bezels are. No way Samsung's doing this. No way. So in Clone Wars, there can only be one winner, and I'm gonna have to give it to the S9 Plus. This thing is way better than the fake iPhone 10, and the real S9 hasn't even come out yet. So that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys get subscribed with notifications turned on if you're new, and let me know in the comments if you guys are just turning notifications on. Follow us on the Insta story, because that's where all the behind the scenes happen. You guys saw this first. I'll see you guys later. Peace.